Many doctors have been resorting to plasma therapy. There is no vaccine yet to treat COVID-19 patients. Let's tell you more about the Netherlands, where 1,500 people have enrolled to donate blood for this study. The study is a part of an international push to develop treatment for COVID-19. COVID-19 survivors' blood contains antibodies and proteins. Many doctors across the world have been using survivors' plasma to treat the patients. Using plasma of the COVID-19 survivors has been effective in the past. 5 million confirmed COVID-19 cases across the world. No vaccine yet. Medical researchers in the Netherlands have been signing up 1,500 people who have recovered from the novel coronavirus disease to donate blood for a study. This is part of an international push to develop a treatment for the virus from their plasma. What exactly is the procedure about? The blood that is collected from the patients who have recovered from COVID-19 is used in this process. Like we said, the patients develop antibodies in the blood against the virus. Research shows that plasma can reduce the severity of the illness. The blood of the survivors of COVID-19 containing antibodies and proteins, which is a crucial aspect of this study as well. The blood component that carries the antibodies can be collected and given to the newly infected patients. And doctors around the world, in fact, have been using this plasma to treat the coronavirus patients. But these supplies are limited because relatively few people who survived the disease have donated blood, and that's a huge challenge.
The goal of the alliance is actually to produce an unbranded hyperimmune globulin. So a plasma-derived therapy for those patients that need it the most. Unbranded, so it will be a collaborative effort. That means that all of the alliance members are pooling their resources together to actually make it available to the world. There's not one company that will profit from this. We have put our individual company interests aside to further to help the public health and the patient's interest.
The plasma can be donated if the individual is a COVID-19 survivor. The plasma is collected 28 days and can be collected 28 days after the recovery. The donor must be between 17 to 66 years of age. The donor must weigh at least 50 kgs. Now, this Dutch group is part of a non-profit alliance. It includes Japanese pharmaceutical firm Takeda, which seeks to collect blood plasma from thousands of donors. Other alliance members include CSL Behring in the US, Biotest AG in Germany, BPL Group in the UK, LFPSA in France, and Octapharma AG in Switzerland.
So the founding fathers of this alliance came together to make sure that there's enough speed in developing some kind of plasma therapy against corona. So the whole goal is pool the resources, put the brightest minds together to make sure that at the earliest possibility this therapy becomes available. Of course, that's what we're doing right now. Clinical production has started, and if the clinical trials are well and the therapy is approved, then hopefully in the brightest of scenarios this might be one of the earliest treatment possibilities for patients.
Using the blood plasma of the COVID-19 survivors has proven to be effective in the past in treatment of a range of illnesses, including rabies, hepatitis B, and chickenpox.